The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, Samsung Galaxy S10 5G, and Apple iPhone XS Max represent different eras of flagship smartphones. The S24 Ultra, a 2024 model, boasts cutting-edge technology with advanced processing power, a high-resolution display, and enhanced camera features. The S10 5G, released in 2019, was notable for its early adoption of 5G connectivity and a versatile camera system, while the iPhone XS Max, introduced in 2018, is known for its premium build, powerful performance, and refined iOS experience. Each phone reflects its time's innovations and priorities.